Today I want to show you a beautiful house at Rezt+. It has a Balinese resort theme. All the furniture are chosen by us. The sofa is made of teak wood, while the dining table and chair are made of oak finishing with lava stone tabletop. Furniture at patio area, we choose to match outdoor area. We use stone laminate for the feature wall. The light imitates the straight light you see along Bali Strait. The textured wooden vinyl flooring gives a more natural feel. Even the ceiling is specially painted to imitate wood.
We made several modifications to the house. The island at the entrance area is converted to become storage and display cabinet to fully utilize the space. While the outer room used to be a fridge area. As you walk into the master bedroom, the same theme applies. The homeowner decided on a darker tone for the room. The bay window serves as storage while also at the same time allows the owner to enjoy the outdoor view.
Hi, I'm Shawn.
I'm Catherine. Once a customer, always a customer.